Tasha. We all remember Tasha. We're doing my makeup right now. I wouldn't have anyone beat my face for my birthday other than Tasha, so.
Oh, my baby love.
Yes, I love me some Tasha.
Alright, let's do this birthday beat.
Birthday beat. Also, guys, Tasha's going to be at NARS in Soho on December 27th. She's doing a pro makeup class.
Yes.
And I will be the face model, so you guys come through and learn some skills from a pro. You hear me? You excited about that?
I'm excited.
Me too.
Very excited. Hope you guys come.
I'm gonna be there.
What should I wear?
Whatever you want. Cute. Cute.
Black?
It don't gotta be black. It could be.
Okay.
It's so cute.
Okay. Such a horrible breakout the other day. Yeah, while my mom was in the hospital, girl, places on my face broke out that never broke out before. Like, my whole Cupid's bow went crazy. My chin.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck? What the? Justin, was not planning.
Panicking.
I look fucking good. Meow.
Yes, check out the face beat. Tasha did her thing. We're in the car right now and we are on our way to the sugar factory. A lot has gone wrong. Look, it's snowing outside right now. Like, it's really snowing. We had a whole weather alert advisory kicked out to our cell phones. This is ridiculous. So we're now leaving on our way to the Sugar Factory. So let's just go and we'll see what the night has in store for us. Come on, let's go.
Don't catch it if you fall.
Regular.
I like the macaroni.
Said I hate.
Get that on camera.
Is this Smirnoff?
New Amsterdam? It's not dog, but I'll take it.
I'm gonna take half and you gonna take half.
Pour a little bit in that shit.
No, I only drink dark. It's so bad.
She's like, I wouldn't say.
Oh, what is she?
Listen, I know you.
This was like, yes, you would. This was like, I know. Alright, I'm gonna
Take your shot. Take your shot. What's my name?
Look, you needed me right now.
Take over.
Good lighting now.
Happy birthday.
Woo!
Don't catch that on camera.
That. Nigga said Sade got the gang. Sade got the gang snap. What you?
He ruined. Captain, we ruined.
Can I get a smile? Stay there.
Thank you. Let's do one more. One more for the win. One more for the win. Couple bitches I get
They loving the style.
She had to mute the thing. I'm sick of y'all.
So I just want to wish a special happy birthday to my bestest friend in the whole wide world, Aisha, my Sag sister. I love you to death.
Happy birthday, Aisha. I love you. You are my soul sister, and I love you to death. And I wish you the happiest of fucking birthdays. Love you. I love you. Bye, guys.
Later.
Bye.
Later.
I'm gonna say a big happy birthday to all the Sages out there in December and in the entire world, and I'm gonna give a special happy birthday to my best friend Sade. I love you so much, and we the bombest bitches on the motherfucking planet. You're
You dig? You dig?